I don't know what happened. I don't know what I heard. But this was really, really, really strange. I was camping in my backyard, and me and my friend were. He was in his hammock, and extra tent for him just in case. He was sleeping outside, under the stars. I had the air conditioner in one tent, sleeping like that. Here's one thing I don't understand. I'll tell you the 2, 3 crazy weird things that I've heard. You can see on the left there, you can see my garage, or the back half, what I call the back 40. And I heard with the sound, it sounded like a clay pot tinging and cracking near that area. We have no clay pots, or acrylic, is what it sounded like too, with a hint of glass maybe, but more acrylic. And I just don't understand. I heard whispers out in the field. On the right is a huge field that goes out there. That fence right there lines the field and it goes out there pretty far. If you haven't seen my other videos like RC World and things like that. It's really, really strange, though. It just sounded like I heard whispering. I heard strange, just a couple of strange noises I really couldn't explain or understand. The clay pot, though, that was the weird one. I sat up in my tent and listened because I was frightened by whatever that was. I just turned my air conditioner back on and drowned out the sound. I didn't want to know what that was. I didn't want to know. Very peculiar. If you guys want to see more videos of me camping in my backyard, or camping in abandoned places, or camping in general, please let me know. I thank you for supporting Paranormal Adventures, and more short films are to come. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always guys, I'll see ya in the next one.